Yes, today I will be telling you about Excel. Yes, this MS Excel is part of MS Office. And when you start MS Excel, how do you start MS Excel? By, if the particular environment of the Windows is there, any operating system, so you click on Start and then to All Programs, then MS Office and then MS Excel. Now once you open MS Excel, you will find a particular sheet, yes, which is divided into rows and columns, and then that is the window of the Excel. Now let us talk about the window, that is the components of what? Of the Excel window. Now what are the components, main components, the common components of MS Excel? Number one, you find the cell, which is very important because cell is a particular intersection of a row and a column. So when you talk of a cell, intersection of a column and a row, this is a row and this is a cell. So over here you find a cell is made by the intersection, crisscross of a row and a column in our worksheet. So inside the worksheet there are many cells. Now come to the next component. So cell component you understand. Come to the next component, which is called the active cell. So active cell, a cell is surrounded by a thick. You'll find a thick means like this. A cell is surrounded by thick. Yes, this is thick. Yes. A thick rectangular border when it is clicked on the cell. So wherever I click on the particular sheet, that will be highlighted. The border is there, and that is called the active cell. And that is the second component I am telling, that is the active cell. So how you know which one is active, which one is current, whatever you are doing, wherever you are typing, that is the active cell. Now come the next one is range. Now what is a range? A rectangular group of continuous or adjacent cells is called a range. Adjacent means side by side. So this is a range. This is a range. It can be a continuous or an adjacent sides. It can be one after the other, or it can be like this also. One cell and one cell. So this is called a range. So you can use that range by selecting, copying, pasting, whatever you want to do with the particular operation in Excel, you can do it. Next, the name box, which is very important. The name box or the box located just above the column heading. Column heading, you know, these are the column headings. When you are telling column headings means this one, suppose A. So this is the column heading. Okay, so the box located just above the column heading. Now you understand where is the particular area here, just above the column heading, and on the left side of the Excel window. So left side means it is in the left side. Is the name box, and what does it do? It shows the address of the selected or active cell. Suppose your cell is in A1. A1 means that is column A and row number 1. So this is A1, the first cell. So that will be in the name box. So the address is mentioned there. You'll find there. Then comes the next one, next component is the formula bar. So from the particular component you can very well understand formula bar where you are writing the formulas, and equal sign is used to make a formula. You can write A1 plus B1. So that will be added, and wherever the cell is, active cell is, there it will be added. So this is called the formula bar. So to the right side of the name box, just right side of the name box, you find the formula bar. So if this is the name box, so this side is the formula bar. Where fx is there, so you get the formula bar. It shows what the contains the data formula of the active cell. I told you that active cell is there, and the row heading. Now coming to the next component is the row heading. So what is the row heading? Row heading, you can understand row on top of, I have already made row heading, this is the row, and row heading is over here, 1. So row headings, these are rows which are numbered. So they are numbered. How they are numbered? They are numbered, yes, they are numbered from, like how they are numbered? 1, 2, 3, 4, like 1, 2, 3, 4, the rows are coming, the number 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay, where? On the left side. So the left side you find, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this, it is going like that. These are the rows, 1, 2, 3, these are the rows. So over here 1 is there, 2 will be here. So these are the rows, like this, it goes down. Now the last one over here we have is the column headings. Now coming to the column headings, so as we have done the row headings, column headings on the column side, so this is a column. So column, you find out A starts with A, so the column headings, these are denoted from A, so I already told A mentioned, then it comes B, like this it goes on, up to where? FXD, up to FXD it goes up and ends there. So this total are the main features, or you can say the components of the Excel window. Just as you open up, the window comes in, so that is called the Excel window, and these are the components, and these components you must be knowing in order to do anything. It can come to your Olympiad examination, it can come in the school examination, it can come anywhere, but the concept has to be known. Thank you everyone. This is all I will say to you.